Hello, and welcome to the Audi Salt Lake City YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your mobile device to the Audi MMI Bluetooth system. First, what you're going to want to do is go to the telephone screen using the button labeled Tell. So pull that back, and when you get to that screen, the light to the right of the word Tell will light up, letting you know that you are on the telephone screen. On this screen, it will give us the name of our Audi Bluetooth, and at the very bottom we want to select Connect Mobile Device, followed by selecting Find New Devices. On the next screen, it will say make sure that Bluetooth and visibility are enabled on your mobile device. You'll want to hit Next and get out your phone. Open up the settings screen on your phone and find the Bluetooth setting, making sure that it is enabled and ready to pair. Next, find the corresponding Bluetooth name for your vehicle. In my case, it is Audi MMI 5800. This will be the same format for you, only it will be a different 4-digit number at the end. To start the pairing process, we will want to select that device. Once the pairing has initiated, it will bring up a 6-digit code on both your mobile device and your Audi MMI screen. Make sure these codes match, and if they do, click Pair on your mobile device. You will come to a verification screen asking if you would like to allow your contacts and favorites to sync. Click Allow. If done correctly, you'll be taken to this Audi MMI screen, which will allow you to access your phone and your contacts through your vehicle. Be sure to subscribe so you can stay up to date on what is new at Audi Salt Lake City and in the Audi world. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.